First Appalachian Trail hike here at McAfee Knob, and it's supposedly 8.4 miles there and back. So we're just starting our ascent. We'll show you what we find out. All right, we're only a 1/10 of a mile in, and I'm all ready to turn back. This is gonna be a steepie. What you got in your mo?
What?
Oh, so we're about a mile and a half in. How you doing?
Good.
We're doing good. We just found a shelter out here, a little camping shelter on the Appalachian Trail. It's kind of cute. Had a Bible, and Fiona stopped to read the
good news.
The good news. So
The very good news.
the good news is we're still alive and we're carrying on. So why am I always leading the trail and she's behind?
I'm always behind.
Because I'm the slow moving train. You gotta let the what?
The slow lead the pace.
Yes, the slow,
the
big old slow lead the pace. We're about a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles towards McAfee Knob. And you just see some really incredible sights. It's really a beautiful hike so far. So people often ask me, why don't you do cardio? Well, a hike, you burn nearly twice as many calories per mile because of the uneven terrain and the up and down. So I do 8 to 10 miles of hiking in the weekend. This 8.4 mile hike in the calculator shows, because of my weight, I burn 2,500 calories in 4 to 6 hours. So if I were to walk that on a treadmill, that'd be probably 18 to 20 miles because of my weight. There's no way I'm doing steady state cardio. I'll stick to this. All right, say we're about 2.5 miles in, and we're near the second shelter. There's 2 shelters. She's looking
for loo paper.
She is. And there's, by the second shelter, there's a nice little outhouse. And if you look in here, not only is there a toilet, but a mailbox if you want to leave some mail for the next person that does the duty. Snack time, Red Monster, and some beef jerky. What are you eating?
Honey roasted cashews and water.
So far the trail up to McAfee Knob is very impressive. You not only have a couple of shelters, but you also have campsites that are well marked and an outhouse. We're almost to the top of the world. We have about a half mile to go. And it's been, the last mile's been straight uphill. Say something profound.
And you're sweaty, and I gobbled all my nuts. They're really yummy.
Did she say she gobbled on her nuts?
Oh, my nuts.
We'll have to censor that out. A little sweaty and red-faced. The first 2 3/4 miles, it's been a little uphill, but the last mile has just been a, what would you call it? A grind. It's straight uphill, and it's just taking its toll on me. So thank God we're almost there. Nearly at the top, and the last half mile is just filled with these massive rock formations that just line the trail.
They came back, and then I happened to see.
Put this on Facebook. I am the king of mine.
I remember, like, I'm not even looking at watch, and then
We made it all the way to the top, And what is it, only about a 3,000 foot drop?
And we're not let go of the edge.
I'm scared.
Then I'm going to fall and die.
She just wants to rush up to the edge. I'm like, maybe I would just be a little bit more cautious.
Do you want to do other things? Yeah. Walk some here.
You're afraid, right? Don't be afraid. It's not going to break. A little bit harder for.
No, that's okay.
All right, we made it to the top of McAfee Knob. What do you think of this hike?
It's awesome. It's very hard though. It buggers you out.
The last mile was something, but the view, just absolutely worth it. The payoff is amazing.
You get scared though when you have to go to the rock.
Yeah, we went
nearly
out.
die.
We went out on that thing. She nearly ripped my.
I had a panic attack.
She nearly ripped my arm off.